Today is the very last time I drive this road to work, and I want to show you something real quick. Let me see if I can get it. See this sign right here that says lose 20 pounds in 2 weeks. I need to tell you something about that. I thought it was an accident. So that's it. I'm done. I'm officially done with this job. After the next 10 minutes, I am officially unemployed and ready to go to Japan. One last thing I want to do before I head out is I want to do my last Cuban style coffee. I don't call it Cuban coffee because I'm not Cuban, but it's Cuban style coffee. So let me show you how I do it. The first thing you gotta do is you're gonna set up the coffee. I put water already on the coffee pot. This is espresso style coffee or espresso coffee. I just pack it in there. By no means is a healthy recipe or whatever, because it has a lot of sugar in it, but it just tastes delicious, so that's a guilty pleasure right there. Now, I normally don't measure the sugar. I just go and do it by eye, depending how much coffee I put in there. So maybe like about 2 fingers, based on the coffee that I put in there. I guess it goes by your taste. So. First drops of coffee like that start coming out, maybe when a little bit less. I pull it out and put it in here. Depends how much in a rush you are. So I put just a few drops in there. With a little bit of coffee in there, I start mixing the sugar together. It's still a little bit dry in there. So I want to add a little bit more coffee to make more of a paste in there. At the end of this, you end up with a paste-like thing like this. Right? It's not brown anymore. It's not really white, but it's a little bit coming back to the white color. Not gonna lie, maybe on this one I put a little bit too much sugar, but what you want is this consistency on the sugar. After this is done brewing, you gotta do is just mix up the coffee with the sugar. Go all in. I don't want to waste coffee. This coffee is very, very strong. And you know you made magic because this is what it looks like. And that is the full secret of Cuban coffee. Really good. So it is my last day of work here. It's kind of weird because there's nothing. That's it. Like, okay, I came in, I clocked in, and that's it. I'm out. We'll see what happens. I mentioned this morning that I'll always drive by that sign that says 20 pounds weight loss in 2 weeks. There's a lot of illness and very bad side effects that get associated with quick weight loss. Some of them are like hair loss, lack of muscle performance, feeling bad, like getting sick, lower immune system. It's a broad spectrum of things that could happen if you try to lose weight too quickly. 20 pounds in 2 weeks, that means 10 pounds a week. That means over a pound a day of weight. Each pound is 3,500 calories if you're actually losing pounds of fat. Quick weight loss also lead to quick weight regain. The reason why people are successful are losing weight is because you start creating the habits you need to maintain the new weight. You need habits. It's not just one diet, I'm going to lose the weight and the weight's going to be off. No, you need to create healthy and just consistent habits. For that, you need to sit down, plan it out, and just allow your body to get used to the new weight and just slowly start decreasing the weight as you create those habits, because doing this is literally making change your life. We can also be overwhelming. The best thing you can start doing if you want to lose weight is stop getting that mentality of quick weight loss. You start losing even if a half a pound a week, a quarter of a pound a week. Even if you don't lose any weight, but you find the place where you don't gain weight consistently, that's useful information. What you want to do is slowly start creating the habits that are going to help you maintain the weight that you want to achieve. If you want any help with that, if I can help you out with like creating a program or whatever, you can contact me below. I'll also link out my website. I think I'm going to end up putting like new specials or like new ways to work with online clients, right? Because most of my clients right now are, actually all my clients right now are, person to person. So I would like to expand into the online world. So I'll come up with some special, something interesting. So please check it out on my website. I'll link it below. I'm ready when it comes to all my financial situation to go to Japan. Everything is set up. But it's one thing that I have to do before I go. First things first, I want to thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you want to get notifications about what I do here. And also share it out, okay? Share this video. Maybe someone will benefit from this and it will make me happy. Okay, so that's it. That's it here. I'm done. Now that all my financial situation is taken care of, now I have to get myself organized, get my apartment cleaned up. So yeah, but there's one thing I want to do before I take that trip to Japan for 3 months. To come to Disney.